What's going on, guys? Today we're working on doing the wood trunk on the inside of my 06 Civic. First we got some plywood, you feel me? Got everything out. Had a little bit of a leak issue, but we're gonna seal that up. This shit right here. Hey, yo, little spoiler on. You feel me? I guess I'll give you guys a little bit of a rundown. I'm doing I plan on getting bags, so I'm leaving a little bit of space for, you know, like a little bag setup. Might put leather on it, might just keep it wood, I don't know. Not sure yet, but and also have a sound system too, so like, you know, got the subs back there. Maybe one day down the line I'll add like a in floor, you know what I mean, an in floor sub box. But for now we'll just, you know, keep it on top. Damn, I need a cut, man. This shit terrible. Chilling me. Still handsome, still pull your bitches. But yeah, so wood floor, had a sub in the back. Then when I do the air suspension, have everything on like its own little platform in the front. On the sides, I might do like little cubbies. I'm not sure yet. Like, you know, like a little storage area. But right now I'm just trying to keep it simple, you know, just a little something before the season. But right now we're just taking measurements, figuring out, you know, how close we want to get things. And I'll catch up with you guys later.
Vamos a ver lo que pasa aquí, Alright, bro.
Looking tight.
Look at tight like pussy fuck.
Tight like pussy for it.
We're gonna have to clean this up with the Dramoski. 7. Just 7. Oh man.
No.
3.
What you mean? You be snapping on your projects.
Check it out. So this is a little bit more easier, bro. Cause then we just need a.
Phase 4 done. Alright, we just cleaned up everything. We about to head to the depot, get this wood, get this bitch looking pretty, you feel me? Want some nuts? Got some nuts. In the depot with it, you feel me? Looking for what kind of wood we want. Yeah, this the real shit. I don't need the real shit. My trunk already heavy. I don't need that. But now, yeah, I'm looking for like a, you know, like a gray kind of color. Got like that right there. Got it. That jump right there. Also picked up some sealant for my tail lights. Hopefully this works. It's absolutely fucking gorgeous. I wish it would be like this all the time. I was hot as fuck inside the store though. Tweaking. I'm back at Home Depot, man. I'm mad as hell. I don't know where I put my keys. Come on, man. Y'all been recording this whole time.
I can't even see that, bro.
clean. Got a few gaps. Got some rope. Put that around the edges. Clean it up. Chill on me, I'm fresh off work. But nah, yeah, so I just laid the rope out just to see how much I had and if I had to cut anywhere. I'm gonna just wrap around the whole thing. There's a couple spots where like I could like double up, but other than that, it's looks good.